Hello, everybody. What I have here today is a Viking Professional. It's an older one, which is, probably why I'm working on it. And so what I'm going to do today is change the jets to propane. They are right now natural gas, and I'm going to switch it out into propane per a customer. Okay, so on this 6-burner dual fuel, it has 6 burners on top, and then in the oven is electric. So it's kind of what you really have here is a gas cooktop on top of an electric oven. And they call that dual fuel. So, and to change the jets out, there's a top portion here. Get a little closer look. Whoa. And so these jets here, I will change. Well, actually, the jets are way down in there, but I'll be removing these tops off, which is another little tricky thing to do. And then inside there are the jets. And then Viking provides the jets, which is really cool. They are already in there. A lot of times you have to go buy the jets. So you got to go order them and then install them. With this unit here, they are there. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the burners right here. And so there is a tool you could buy to undo these burners. But that tool is like $50 plus shipping. And I'm like, I got to find a better way. So voila, get some tools you don't really care too much about. And it's going to depend on how hard this is. Luckily, this one is not hard. And so you'll put it in and then turn it like a so. And then that'll loosen it. And then you could turn it up by hand. And that'll get this top burner off. Brass. Aluminum. So that'll come off. I will get some WD, I believe. And then you got it sealed here, so I'm going to do that to all of them and then get the top to pop off. Okay, now it's time to change the jets. Your tool. I'm using an 8mm with an extension. This is the propane jet. Take it off right in front of you. Now, inside, contact. If you can turn off by hand, great. If not, put the ratchet on it. Slowly you turn. And wow, that's a tough one. Whew, don't like it when it feels like that. Out you go. That one drops down. Now, you can use different methods, but what I do, we got a little piece of electrical tape. Get the jet, put it on here, put it in there, gives it some resistance. And then hand tight. But what I like to do also is a little WD. Put that on it. Just hand tight. And that's it. I like to do it like that. If you want to just feel a little snug, you're used to feeling some little snug, you can do it like that. Just a couple fingers. Yeah, very reluctant. Okay, then the old one, take it out, set it aside for now. Repeat process. Okay, got all the jets done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. went smoothly. Now, cleaning. Okay, now for reassembly. So, this goes on. I take a brush to it and brush that. Then, the electrode wire. Now make sure the right wire is going to the right electrode. That is the correct wire to the correct electrode. Okay. Insert. Right on over. Then you put this piece back on. Now, before I put this piece back on the threads themselves, I like to put a little valve grease on there. Spin it. And then you get your tool if you have the proper one, or use like the one I made, and tighten it down snugly. And repeat process for all remaining burners. Okay, got it all back together. Changed out 6 orifices. Have the propane tank connected, flex line tank connected to the stove, power turned on. Now it should all just fire up and do nicely, which it did. I had to test it already because you got to bleed the air out. It takes a little bit. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 work great. Nice. Now the flames look very nice. Probably can't see it, but they do look very nice, and it all turned out well. So that's how you go from natural gas to propane on a Viking Professional. Hope that was helpful. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I would appreciate it. And let's keep cooking.